What's up? It's Carlos.
And Alex, how you guys doing today?
What's up? Welcome to Toy Gigante. And today, this is our first, well, it's usually called an unboxing, but this is unbagging.
Unwrapping.
Unwrapping.
We're going to be unwrapping some cool MadBalls.
Now, if you guys remember these, they came out originally in 1985, and they're back again. These look like they're way smaller, though.
Yeah, these are like the little miniature. You know, a company called Amp Toys came up with these, which is pretty cool. Collectibles.
Yes, I'm excited to have them back in my toy shelf. Because as a kid, I had some of these, me and my friend, and we throw them at each other. And it would never hurt because they were like squishy and stuff. And then they would hurt if you like...
Close range?
No, if you put them in water, then it'd be like a sponge, and then it would hurt.
Yeah,
but anyway,
I should have tried that.
Do that at work.
Imagine drawing a rock with a Mad Toys face, and then actually
So we got a little bag. We got a Series 1 and a Series 2, and we're gonna open them up and see what we get.
All right. So I want to guess what's in mine first. See if see what I can.
Let's see what.
Go ahead and you do yours first while I try to guess.
Okay, I'm gonna say I'm gonna say that when did I get like a dust brain?
Dust brain?
Yeah.
I think if my feelings of my fingers are right.
What do you think?
I think I'll be getting this one right here. Come on.
Oh, that guy's cool. Hornhead.
Hornhead, yeah. Sorry.
I think that was one of the original ones. Well, let's do this. All right, Alex, do you want to go first?
No, I want you to go first because I got Series 2. So Series 1 goes first.
So here's Series 1, and this
Series
is
2.
Series 2, and this is some of the crazy balls that you might get inside. You know, like there was a time in the 80s, like this was around the time when everything was kind of gross and everything.
Yeah,
was full
I remember
of boogers,
that.
like Garbage Pail Kids and everything. But it was a fun time.
Yes.
So it looks like they're like made by Just Play nowadays. So let's see what we get.
Go ahead. I want to see what you got and see if I was right.
I'm gonna see what we got. This is fun.
Pull out your balls.
Hey,
I'm sorry.
American. That's funny. It's American Greetings though, because they make like really like nice cards for like your mom and when you're sick and all that. It's just kind of interesting.
Oh yeah, like Homer.
Yeah. Well, I didn't get Dust Brain, but I got Skull Face.
Oh.
Look at this guy.
I was never gonna guess that one.
Look at that.
See that one?
He's been working overtime.
That one's pretty cool, man.
Yeah. He's like he just has a bad headache, I guess. Splitting headache. All right, what'd you get?
All right, let's see. Let's see if I was right. Oh shoot! Look at this punk looking dude. Wow, I have no clue. Let me see. I think I have. I don't know. Let me see. What do you guys think?
I think it's the guy right here with the tongue right here. This guy.
No.
Yeah, it's.
No.
Wait. No, this guy.
Yeah, that one.
Arg.
Oh, okay.
That's his name. Arg.
It's right here.
Arg. This is fun, man.
Check it out.
So here we go. You got her crazy guys.
That's kind of cool. Oh, look, it has a second face right here. That was cool. I like that one better.
You gotta excuse our dirty hands. We've been working on cars all day.
I know.
Anyways.
Hey, kids. What do you think we're going to do today?
I don't know. What are we going to do today?
Take over the world. That's
all right, man. Well, that's cool.
Nice. These are cool. Look at how fluffy they are.
Soft.
Squishy. Like SpongeBob.
Throw 'em at your cat. Won't hurt it.
See. Big old tongue right there. Those are cool,
man.
Well, hope you
enjoyed this unwrapping of MadBalls Series 1 and 2. We'll be back next time for another
stay tuned.
Mystery unwrapping unboxing. See ya.
Toy
Gigante.